guys, I want to show you these pencil sharpeners that I received from the company. I got a big box of these, which I love to have around. You can use them for all different reasons. I think, you know, my family does a ton of arts and crafts, as well as my kids still have to do their homework in pencil. So I love just having this out so they know where their stuff is and we don't have to worry about it. It comes with this like lid on top, so you can like close it after you use it and then it catches everything in here. I love the colors. I just want to show you, like, it just works really easy. Doesn't get jammed up. It doesn't feel cheap, or like, you know, some of them you could pick up in like the dollar store. I just feel don't work very well. They're not very sharp, or the plastic itself is pretty cheap. This is not like that. I mean, it really sharpened our pencil like super nice. So again, it like has a very thick plastic and like a nice sharpener. I wanted to show you up close. So what you're getting, perfect for a classroom, whether it be for just like an elementary school or like an art class, because you just get so many. And I love the colors, this like yellow and like the neon, really fun. My kids love these as well. They come in like these really bright colors. Here is like the big box of them. So you can see you just get a ton. Really happy with these. I definitely recommend them. And they're just a perfect pencil sharpener to have.